Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily change your date of birth on Facebook. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store, doesn't matter. Just make sure we have the Facebook app updated to the latest version, or at least have one of the newer versions to ensure everything runs smoothly in the process. Now after that, let's go ahead and open the Facebook app. And of course, make sure you are logged into your account that you want to change the birth date of. After that, open the menu by tapping the three lines in the bottom right or top right, depending on what device you have. From here, we need to go to settings. You can do that by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner, or you first tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings. Within settings, we need to go to account center. So tap on account center at the very top. And once it loads up, you need to go to profiles and personal details. Previously, you would have been able to find it under your information or something like that. Now you need to go to profiles and personal details because Facebook changed things around. Anyways, from here, as you can see in the bottom, it says birthday. That's where you need to tap. And as you can see, guys, right next to it, there is that edit button, and that's where you need to tap now. As you can see, guys, it's very easy. From here, just go ahead and tap on your birthday basically and change it. Just make sure it's gonna be the correct birthday after that, because Facebook might verify it later. Anyways, you can even add or edit your audience, or the audience basically of your birthday. You can choose only me, friends, or even public, whatever you want. Anyways, again, guys, make sure your birthday is accurate, because maybe in the future or even right after updating your profile, Facebook might require you to confirm it using some official identity card or even a face scan, and if it's wrong, you might face problems with your Facebook account. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.